NLG Navigazione Libera del Golfo since 1953. Naples, where the sea is the horizon that tells stories of travel, emotions, and timeless adventures. From this land of sailors and dreamers comes the passion for travel that has guided us for over 80 years. Each route is a journey into the heart of history, culture, and nature. Founded in 1953, Navigazione Libera del Golfo has deep roots in the seafaring tradition of the Aponte family, originally from Sorrento. A history of the sea that begins in the 17th century and which, over time, has become synonymous with excellence in maritime transport. From the first connections with historic motor ships such as the Italia, the Linda, and the Santa Teresa, up to the modern fleet of high-speed single-hull jets, every step was driven by the desire to offer our passengers a safe, comfortable, and fast journey. Our HSCs are perfect for fast and efficient connections between the wonders of the Mediterranean. Capri, the island of mermaids. Capri is a place where history meets luxury. Sorrento. It's a city that enchants with its romantic atmosphere and its breathtaking views of the Gulf. Amalfi. Ancient maritime republic. Amalfi is a jewel of the coast, dominated by the spectacular Cathedral of Sant'Andrea and immersed in a landscape of terraces planted with lemons. Positano. A living postcard, with its pastel-colored houses that descend towards the sea. Tremiti Islands. Famous for its crystal-clear waters and the wealth of caves and breathtaking seabeds. With NLG Navigazione Libera del Golfo, the sea is not just a route, but a place of discovery, emotion, and magic. Have a nice trip with NLG.